Hello everyone. Today we will see couple. What is the meaning of couple in engineering mechanics? Two unlike means different direction. Two unlike parallel non-collinear forces. Non-collinear forces means all the forces does not lies in a single line. So non-collinear forces of same magnitude, it is form a couple. Okay, two unlike parallel non-collinear forces of same magnitude form a couple. The distance between the two forces is known as arm or lever of the couple. Distance between two forces is known as arm of the couple or lever of the couple. So here D is the arm of the couple. To find resultant R for above force system, summation fx is equal to 0 means algebraic sum of all x component. There is no x component, so summation fx is equal to 0. Summation fy means algebraic sum of all y components. So y component, this is upward direction p force plus p, and this is the downward direction p force, so minus p. Plus p minus p is equal to 0. Since summation fx is equal to 0, summation fy is equal to 0, so we have r is equal to 0. So it is clear that it means the resultant of couple is 0 as r is equal to 0. So this is the very important point. Resultant of couple is always 0. So for couple, effect of couple on a rigid body is rotation but not translation. Okay. So next is the what is moment of couple. Moment of couple is defined as product of magnitude of one of the forces and arm of the couple. So let m is the moment of couple and m is the moment of couple, so product of magnitude of one of the forces. So here p is the force and arm of the couple is the d, and d is the arm of the couple. So m is equal to p into d, units Newton meter. So moment of couple is also the magnitude of the couple, right? So moment of couple is a vector quantity. Okay. Then we will see types of couple. So there are two types of couples, that is clockwise couple and anti-clockwise couple. So clockwise couple, if two unlike parallel and non-collinear forces of same magnitude try to rotate body in clockwise direction, the couple is known as clockwise in nature. If two unlike means different direction, parallel to one another, non-collinear forces of same magnitude try to rotate body in clockwise direction, right? So the couple is clockwise in nature, that is called as clockwise couple. Okay, see this diagram. P force is same magnitude P and two unlike forces, then parallel to one another. There are two non-collinear forces and D is the lever of the couple. So here two forces try to rotate bar AB in clockwise direction, hence couple form is clockwise couple. So magnitude of couple is equal to P into D. This is the clockwise CW, this is the short form clockwise. Okay, and second is the anti-clockwise couple. Anti-clockwise couple, If two unlike forces, two unlike parallel and non-collinear forces of same magnitude try to rotate anti-clockwise direction, okay, so the couple is in anti-clockwise nature. So similarly, magnitude of couple is P into D, and this is the anti-clockwise or counterclockwise. Okay, so sign convention, clockwise couple is positive and anti-clockwise couple is taken as negative. Okay, the next point is characteristics of couple or properties of couple. We have seen the first point, the resultant of couple is always 0. So this is the one of the properties of couple. So R is equal to 0. Moment of couple is equal to the product of one of the forces and arm of the couple, that is M is equal to P into D. This is also one of the properties of couple. Next properties of couple, the moment of a couple is independent of moment center. Then last property, the effect of a couple is unchanged. If couple is shifted to any other position, couple is shifted to a parallel plane, and couple is rotated through any angle in its plane. So these are the properties of couple. Okay, thank you.